This entire ocean was built by our Codefizz Editor Agent from one prompt. No Unreal Water plugin and no nodes placed by hand. Today we are testing materials, and not a simple one. A stylized water material with full control over waves and foam, from scratch. Here is the prompt. Pause if you want to read it. I press enter, and the agent takes over. It reads its own material skill first, then drives everything through the CFA command line, with MCP switched off. It writes Gerstner waves summed across multiple octaves inside a single custom HLSL node, each layer with its own wavelength, amplitude, steepness, and direction. It derives the normals analytically, instead of sampling a normal map, then builds separate functions for the waves and the foam. When something does not compile, it reads the error back from Unreal and fixes it itself. Here it finishes clean, 0 errors at 2005 pixel instructions, then clears out the orphaned nodes. This is the graph it wired up. Every node placed from the command line, nothing dragged by hand, and the shaders compiling as it goes. 2 material functions feeding one main water material. 4 assets came out of it. The water material, a Gerstner waves function, a foam function, and a material instance. I take a simple mesh, assign the instance, and scale it up to cover the whole area. That is the water running in the level, with waves rolling and foam breaking along the shoreline. The foam is driven by scene depth against pixel depth, so the edge fades instead of cutting a hard line. Everything is tweakable from the instance. Shallow color and deep color, so the water reads differently as it gets deeper. Subsurface color for the backlit scatter, foam color and coverage. Then the waves, wind direction, wave scale, amplitude, and choppiness. High choppiness starts to look triangulated, so I pull it back. Anything you want changed, you just tell the agent, and materials are only one part of it. The same agent covers Niagara, blueprints, UMG widgets, PCG, and state tree. And it can profile your project to tell you whether you are GPU or CPU bound, and which function or which light is costing you the time. If you want to try it, go to codefizz.dev and start a free trial. Questions? Come join the Discord.